Replying to social media comments from our followers is key to building trust and relationships. What if you could go to one dashboard to reply to all of your post comments? From Buffer's Community tab, you can view and reply to comments across your channels, all from one place. To get started, open the Community tab and select the channel you'd like to engage with. From here, you can sort your posts by status or date range. You can scroll through your comments. You can click the up and down arrows to toggle between them, or simply start replying to your community from the top down. And if you hit a writer's block, our reply suggestions can get you started. Once finished, press enter or click reply and your comment will go live instantly. If you find yourself typing the same responses like shipping details or your refund policy, use saved replies to reply faster and to keep your tone consistent. Quickly add new saved replies right here within the Community tab or delete and edit them from your settings. Wondering what this number means? It's your comment score. It tracks how quickly and consistently you engage, helping you measure responsiveness and community connection over time. And before we wrap up, let's look at one more powerful feature: AI-powered insights. Clicking the Insights button opens up a fully customized analytics and insights portal. You can ask it to provide you with the basic stats, or you can ask for a full review of insights like comment sentiment, how your followers feel about your latest launch, or overall comment theme. It's like having your own data analyst ready to help you make smarter, more informed decisions about your content. The Community tab in Buffer is your new home for authentic, ongoing conversations, helping you build trust, stay present, and create stronger relationships with your audience, all from one place. If you need help at any time, click on the question mark in the lower right-hand corner of your dashboard or from the Help Center.